So good afternoon guys. So today we are going to see like module 5 of physics. It's the continuation part of the module 4, differentiation and integration. So differentiation part we have completed already, no? So now we'll go into the integration part. So what is integration? So integration means summing up continuously summing the continuously changing quantities. Like the quantities are not equal, it's changing instantly. In those cases we are using integrations. Next one is it gives the area under the curve or accumulated values. Suppose in a graph they are giving areas. In that area if I want to find, I can use the integration. Like suppose triangle is given, I can use the triangle formula easily and find the area of the triangle. But what is the case for this? Some uneven graph is there. What is the case for this? So in these cases we are using the integration. Like this is the lower limit we will say and this is the upper limit we will say. Like some limits are there. Okay, some limits are there. We will keep the limits for the graph or given equation. Then we will apply the integration method. So some basic formulas are there. Integration of or integral of x power n dx is equals to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Whatever you are integrating now, the constant will be added. Understood? If x is given, if I integrate x, some constant will be added. For example, if I take this equation and if I differentiate now, what is the differentiation of constant? 0. Then I will get the same integration formula, right? That's why whenever we are doing integration, after getting the answer, I add a constant called c. So c is a constant here. So the second formula is integral of sin x dx is equals to minus cos x plus c. This is the second formula. Third one, integral of cos x dx is equals to sin x plus c. Integral of secant square x dx is tan x plus c. Integral of cosecant x square is minus cot x plus c. Integral of e power x dx, I will get e power x only plus c. Next, integration of 1 by x dx is equals to log x plus c. See, one more thing, integration and differentiation of both are similar to each other. Like if I differentiate, I will get the integration equation. If I take the integration equation and if I integrate it now, I will get the differentiation. Okay. So when I talk about log x, no, if I differentiate log x, I will get 1 by x. If I integrate it, I will get log x. So both are vice versa. Okay. So these are the basic formula. And one more thing, if a constant is there, initially constant is there, integral of some constant into dx, I will get whatever, like with respect to whatever I am doing, no, either it can be dx, dy, dt, whatever it may be. With that constant I will add cx. Suppose integral of 5 dt is there, 5 dt, I will get 5t. Add that variable, whatever variable you are taking with respect to that, you add that variable. Or example, 66 dx is there, I will get 66x. Okay, this was the constant thing. Take down. Yeah, we will go for the next slide. Completed. Okay. Next one is what is definite integration. Like whatever we have seen now, that is the basic formula. In physics, most of the questions based on the definite integration only. Like some limits are there. This is integration we will say. Limits in the sense from lower limit to upper limits. From this point to this point we will mention, no. If I want to travel from here to some places, I will mention the particular place here and some particular place there. That is the major thing. Some point here and some point here. Like in between, I need to calculate what is the area. Okay. In the same case, limits also from a to b, for example I will take. So definite integration calculates the total value of function between the two limits. Some limits are there. It gives the area under the curve y is equals to f of x. This is the function, right? Some equation is there. Y is equals to 5x square plus 2x. This 5x square plus 2x is called as a function f of x. From x is equals to a to x is equals to b. That's the limit I will say. So from limit a to b. So integral of a to b. This is how we will write the limits. So notation is integral of a to b f of x dx. Understood? This is how you will apply the limits for the definite integration. So what is the area under a curve? So suppose area is given. I have told now in the starting itself, triangle is given or square is given or circle is given. I know this some specific formula to use and get the area of this. In this cases, like equation is some equation is there. I got a random graph like this. If I want to get the area from this point to this point, for these cases I will apply the integration. Okay. So it is computed using definite integration, that is integral of a to b f of x dx. So these cases will use definite integration method. So graphical interpretation. So area between the curve and x axis from a to b. This is what we have seen, that is function integral of a to b f of x dx. So if f of x is greater than 0, area is positive. F of x is less than 0, area will be negative. Suppose like above the x axis, let me consider this is positive, below x axis negative. Simply, like in the simple cases I can say above x axis positive, below x axis negative. This positive y axis, no, so positive, negative y axis negative. Understood? Now use in physics, like what, like how definite integrations are used in physics. So area under velocity time graph gives displacement. So we have seen that if I take a equation in displacement, I get velocity, right? If I take a equation like x is equals to 3t square minus 2t, this is the equation of a displacement. X is said to be a position, no, a position. If I take the position equation and differentiate, I will get the velocity with respect to time. So same way for velocity and time graph is there, velocity and time, I will get displacement. So area under acceleration time I will get velocity. So if I take a velocity equation and if I differentiate, I will get acceleration. In the reverse manner, if I take a acceleration time graph equation, if I do integration, I will get velocity. So area under force displacement, when I go into the topic called work power energy, so work is not to be, work is said to be force into displacement, right? So an area under force and displacement is give work. Okay. So displacement like integral of t1 to t2 of vt with respect to dt, like v is nothing but velocity with respect to time. Then work done, f of x, that f is nothing but force, x is nothing but displacement. So with respect to displacement, like here displacement is changing, here time is changing. Okay. So dt is nothing but like change in the variable. Okay. So some practice questions are there. I will do the first question here and try to do B to H now. So first question, area under y is equals to x is there, area under y is equals to x. Now the first thing I should do, like they are given that limits also 0 to 4. Let me take a is equals to 0, b is equals to 4, f of x, that is function is x. So given that y is equals to integral of a to b f of x with respect to dx equals to integral 0 to 4 f of x is nothing but x dx. So integration of x is nothing but x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here power is 1, right? So I can write it as integral 0 to 4 or integral 0 to 4x into dx, which is nothing but x power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 from 0 to 4, the limits. This is the lower limit, I will say, this is the upper limit. Okay. So this is x square by 2, the limits are 0 to 4. Now how to apply the limits? First apply the whatever value are given in the top, then apply the values given in the bottom. So first if I apply 4, that is 4 square by 2 minus. So in this case now, when I apply the upper limit, apply the value directly, then apply the minus symbol, then apply the lower limit. So 0 square by 2, which is nothing but 16 by 2, so 8 is the answer. Understood? This is how we will do the integration. So try to answer the second question now. Area under y is equals to x square from x is equals to 1 to 3. Do it now. So whoever watching in online can give the answer in the comment boxes. For the second question, so first question done, second question answer. What is the answer for the second question? So in this case also you will apply x power n formula. So x power 2 is there, x power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. Here n is equals to 2. Okay, we will do it now. So the given question is y is equals to x square from x is equals to 1 to 3. Y is equals to x square, the limits are a is equals to 1, b is equals to 3. So y is equals to integral of a to b f of x dx. This is the formula. So integration from 1 to 3, f of x is x square dx. This is in the form of x power n. N is nothing but here 2. So integral, or I will write open bracket x power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 close the bracket, the limits are from 1 to 3. Now I can say that it is x cube by 3, the limits are from 1 to 3. X cube by 3, limits are from 1 to 3. So the final answer will be like 3 cube by 3 minus 1 cube by 3. So 3 cube, 3 square is 9, 9 into 3 is 27. So 27 by 3 minus 1 by 3, which is nothing but 26 by 3 is the final answer. You will get the answer for y is equals to x square, the limits are from a is equals to 1 and b is equals to 3. You will get the answer is 26 by 3. So this is about the second question. Okay, I will display the third question. Second question has been completed. Third question, area under y is equals to 4 minus x square, 4 minus x square from x is equals to minus 2 to 2. Say I will give a hint for this, y is equals to 4 minus x square. Take 4 separately integrated, take x square separately integrated. Then apply the limits for both of them and do the calculations. I will do here 4, you take 4 separately integrated, then minus, you take x square separately integrated, keep in brackets both of them, then calculate the values, you will get the final answer. Do it now and give the answers. So the question is 4 minus x square minus 2 to 2. Y is equals to 4 minus x square. Limits are a is equals to minus 2, b is equals to 2. So y is equals to integral of a to b f of x dx. The given function is 4 minus x square, minus 2 to 2, 4 minus x square, apply with respect to dx. Now take 4 separately, dx minus 2 to 2 minus 2 to 2 x square dx. Take the values separately like this, then you can apply the limits now. So 4, that constant, no, with respect to constant, if I integrate it, I will get 4x. The limits are from minus 2 to 2 minus, this is x power n, that is nothing but x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So x cube by 3 I will get minus 2 to 2. So 4x, 4 into 2 minus 4 into minus 2. Again the minus of 2 cube by 3 minus 2 cube by 3. So only calculation part is remaining. Do the calculation part and tell the answer now. Hi Vinith. Give the answer for this question, Vinith. So 4 2s are 8 minus, again 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. So minus of minus will be plus. So 8 plus 8. So keep the minus as it is. Now 2 cube is 8, 8 by 3. So minus of minus 8 by 3. Minus 2 cube, no, again I will get minus. So minus of minus will be plus. So 8 by 3 plus 8 by 3 I will get 16 by 3. So 16 into 3 minus 16 by 3. 16 3s are 48. 48 minus 16, 30. 32 by 3. So this is the answer for the third question. Okay, we'll go for the next question. Fourth one. So area under y is equals to sin x from 0 to pi. This is the question. I'll give a minute to solve the question now. So we know that integration of sin x, right? It is minus cos x. So apply the limit from 0 to pi. Yeah guys, give the answer in the comment boxes, whoever watching. So pi in the sense it is 180, no? 180 degree. In terms of we are calculating in the degrees, no? 0 degree to 180 degree. Okay. So sin x from 0 to pi. So y is equals to sin x from 0 to pi is the given thing. So integral of f of x, that is a to b dx. So here the function is sin x, right? Sin x means minus cos x. So minus cos x, integration from 0 to pi. So minus cos pi minus of minus cos 0. Calculate the answer. What is the answer for this one? Cos 180 is minus 1, we know, no? So minus 1 of minus, that is plus 1. This one is cos 0, 1. So minus 1 of minus, do it. So 1 plus 1, 2. Okay. Area under y is equals to e power x. This is the fifth question from 0 to 1. Sixth question is y is equals to 2x plus 1 from 0 to 2, and the seventh question y is equals to x square has been given, y is equals to x plus 2 is given. Like two equations are there. Area between, they are saying, area under, not area between. Between in the sense there is two graphs are there. Like for example, this is the first graph and this is the second graph, and they are said that they have given the limit a and b. So area between the two graphs is, area between the two graphs is, in the sense like I should take the x plus 2 as the first graph and x square as the second graph. So x plus 2 minus x square, like it between, no, between in the sense x plus 2 minus x square. Then apply the limits, that's it. You will get a single equation. Then apply the limits, that minus 1 to 2. The last question is area under y is equals to cos x. So similar to sin x only, cos x. So y is equals to cos x means integration of cos x sin x. The limits are from 0 to pi by 2. Pi by 2 is nothing but 90 degree. So tell the answer for the fifth question now. E power x, integration I will get again e power x only. Yeah guys, give the answer in the comment boxes. If you are having any doubts now, you can ask now. Okay, we will solve for fifth question, e power x from 0 to 1. Y is equals to e power x from a is equals to 0, b is equals to 1. So, this is the given question, right? From 0 to 1. Okay. So, y is equals to integral of a to b f of x into dx. F of x is the function that is e power x. So, limits are from 0 to 1 e power x dx. Now, take it, integration of e power x is e power x only. Limits are from 0 to 1. So, if I apply the limit, first limit, that is e power 1 minus e power 0, anything power 0 is 1, right? So, e minus 1. Yes or no? Anything power 0 is 1. So, I will get e minus 1 is the answer. Okay. So, fifth question has been completed. Next is sixth question, area under y is equals to 2x plus 1 from 0 to 2, 2x plus 1, 0 to 2. 2x plus 1, a is equals to 0, b is equals to 2. So, y is equals to integral of a to b f of x dx formula. Now, integration, that is limit from 0 to 2, function is 2x plus 1 dx. Now, take it, 2x plus 1 integration. What is the integration of 2x? This x is there, no? X power 1, no? So, x power n formula, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So, keep 2 as it is, x power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus, if I integrate constant with respect to dx, I will get x integration. Okay. So, the limits are from 0 to 2. So, now this 2 and 2 will be get cancelled out. This is x square plus x, the limits are from 0 to 2. So, now apply the limits, 2 square plus 2 minus 0 square plus 0, which is nothing but 4 plus 2 is 6 is the answer. So, we will go for the next question, that is area between. So, up to that, like up to now we have solved area under, now area between the two equations, that is x is equals to 1 to 2, I need to get it. So, first one I will solve here. First thing, I should take y is equals to, let me consider this is y1 and this is y2. So, y is equals to y2 minus y1. Now, y is equals, or let me take the condition, integral a to b f of x dx. So, in the case f of x is y2 minus y1, integral a to b y2 minus y1 into dx. So here y2 is x plus 2, y1 is x square. y2 is x plus 1, y1 is x square. So limits are from minus 1 to 2. This is 2, yeah, minus 1 to 2 are the limits. So integral minus 1 to 2 y2 minus y1 of dx, which is nothing but minus 1 to 2 x plus 2 minus x square dx. Now if I do the integration for x, I will get x square by 2, which is nothing but x power n, no, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, plus integration for constant with respect to dx, I will get x, that is 2x, minus x power 3 by 3. Now apply the limits, minus 1 to 2. So if I take the 2, that is upper limit, and if I apply here, I will get 2 square by 2 plus 2 into 2 minus 2 cube by 3 minus, now the lower limit is minus 1, minus 1 square by 2 plus 2 into minus 1 minus of minus 1 cube by 3. Now only calculation part is left out. What is the answer for this one now? Okay. See, the answer is first one 4 by 2 plus 4 minus 8 by 3, 2 cube, right, 8 by 3 minus, and this one will be 1 by 2 minus 2, again minus of minus will be plus 1 by 3. So minus 1 by, I mean minus 1 cube, no, it will be minus 1 only. So minus of minus will be plus. Now calculate it. This is totally, I will take 6. So this one will be like 12 plus 24 minus 16. The denominator I have taken as 6. 2 3s are 6, no. So if I multiply 4 with 3, I will get 12, and 4 6 are 24 minus 8 into 2, I will get 16 minus, again denominator as 6, this is 3 minus 12 plus 2. So 24, 12, 36 minus 16, 20, 20 by 16, again this one 14 minus, I mean minus 14 plus 3, minus 14, sorry, this is minus 12 and plus 5, minus 7 by 6. So answer is 20 by 6 minus, this is 3 5, so minus 7 by 6. So minus 7, no, minus of minus will be plus. So 27 by 6 is the answer. Yes, man, it's 9 by 2. Yeah. So 27 by 6, right? 27 by 6. This is 2 sir and this is 9 sir. 9 by 2 is the answer. You are correct, Srinivas. Okay. So the next question is cos x. So cos x integration is minus sin x. So minus sin x, limits are from 0 to pi by 2. If I write it here, minus sin pi by 2 minus of minus 0. So minus sin pi by 2, sin pi by 2 value is 1, sin 90 no, it is 1, so minus 1, sin 0 is 0, so answer will be minus 1. So these are the questions, basic questions in the integration. So here I have taken in terms of y and x. In the physics you will get in terms of like x is equals to some t values, x is equals to 4t square plus 3t cube, those kind of questions. Okay. So where x is position, t is time, you will get velocity if I integrate it, I mean if I differentiate it, you will get velocity. If I double differentiate it, I will get acceleration. Okay. Now the second topic what we are going to discuss is maxima and minima. If graph is given and they are asking the question called what is maximum value and minimum value. So maxima is the highest point of the function, the peak point of the function I will say, and minima is the lowest or valley point of the function. So both are said to be extrema, like collectively they called as extrema. So both maximum and minimum said to be extrema. So we are going to see how to calculate it. So find the derivative of the given function. Suppose the function is given f of x is equals to x square plus 2x. First find the derivative, then set the derivative function equals to 0. First find the derivative, the first derivative is equals to 0, then you will find what is the value of x there. Set the derivative equal to 0 and solve for x, you will get some values for x. Then this gives you the x values of maxima and minimum values. Then again find the derivative of the derivative function, like you have found now y is equals to some x, like x is equation has been given. So f of x, this is the equation, right. If I differentiate no, f dash x no, this is the derivative function. Again take the derivative function, again differentiate it, that is f double dash x. Okay, these are the conditions. We'll go into the problem, then solve the questions now. Okay, now apply those x values in second derivative. Suppose after applying the total value is negative, or said to be y double dash equals to negative if I get, or y double dash equals to positive if I get. If I get negative value, the function is maxima. Negative value is maximum, positive value is minimum for the double differentiation. We will do the problem here. Example number 1, this is the function has been given. F of x is equals to minus x square plus 4x plus 1. Okay, I will take the function here. First I will differentiate the function. This is the first condition now. Take the function, differentiate it. So f of x minus 2x, this is x square no, x power n means n into x power n minus 1 is the formula. So minus 2x plus 4. If I differentiate constant, I will get 0. So take the equation, equate it to 0. Equate it to 0 now. So minus 2x plus 4 equals to 0. Minus 2x equals to minus 4. Minus minus will get cancelled. X is equals to 4 by 2, where it is 2. This is the value of x I got. Keep the x value as it is. Keep the x value as it is. Now take the function now. First differentiation function. Now no need to take about the function. First differentiation function I should take. So f dash, I mean f double dash. Again I should differentiate the function. I will get minus 2x plus 4. No, if I differentiate I will get minus 2. Minus 2. So there is no value of x here. So if x is there, for example minus 2x I will get. Okay, take the value 2 there, I will get some value. If it is less than 0 or if I get negative value, it is maximum function. Here only I got minus 2, right, minus 2. So I can say directly it is maxima, directly it is maxima. Understood? So first take the function, differentiate it, equate it to 0, solve for x, you will get x values. Keep the x value as it is, take the differentiation function and again double differentiate it. Okay, then take the x value and substitute the values there. You will get either negative or positive. If it is negative, it is a maxima. If it is positive, it is a minima. So solve for the second question now. Yeah, do the second question and give the answer. X square minus 6x plus 8. X square minus 6x plus 8. I will write the question here. The question is x square minus 6x plus 8. Find the maxima and minima for the given function. Okay, we will try now. So now f dash of x is equals to, so for this x square I will get 2x minus 6, equate it to 0. So 2x is equals to 6, x is equals to 3. Now f double dash x, only 2x, only 2 will be there. So it is positive now, so it is a minima. It is minima. The next question is x cube minus 3x square plus 1. X cube minus 3x square plus 1. Which is minus 4, man? No, it's minus, it's 3, right? Once you check it. Srinivas, once you check it. Okay. The third question, f dash x is equals to, what I will get here? 3x square, right? I will take the n value in front of x and 3 minus 1, which is nothing but 2. So 3x square minus 6x plus 0. Now apply, which is equals to 0. 3x square minus 6x equals to 0. I can take x commonly outside. X commonly outside. 3 or 3x I can take, no? 3x square. So I can take 3x commonly outside. So it is x minus 1 equals to 0. X minus 2. X minus 2 equals to 0. So now take this 3x equals to 0 and x minus 2 is equals to 0. 2 are there. So 3x equals to 0, I will get x is equals to 0. 1. Next one is x minus 2 equals to 0, I will get x is equals to 2. So the two values are x is equals to 0 and x is equals to 2. Two values I got. Now take the differentiation function f dash x and double differentiate it. F double dash x. So f double dash x is equals to, what is the answer for this one? If I differentiate, 6x minus 6. Now take x is equals to 0, apply the value here, I will get 6, minus 6. This is the one value. If I take 2 and if I apply here, I will get 6 into 2 12 minus 6 12. So one is minus, one is plus. Now I can say that at which one?
12 minus 6.
6. Okay. So minus 6 and 6. So at x is equals to 0, the value is maxima. X is equals to 0, the value is maxima. At x is equals to 2, the value is minima. Understood? So in the first cases I got the direct maxima or minima at that point, but in the third case I got two values, x is equals to 0 and x is equals to 2. For x is equals to 0 it is maxima, x is equals to 2 it is minima. Yes. So do this as homework now. Okay. Okay guys. So up to now any doubts now? Okay, we will see the tomorrow's class. Thank you.